G'day everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm Daz. Today we start off in Farina. It once had a population of 600, mainly farmers trying to grow wheat and barley. Unfortunately, there was not enough rainfall to support the crops, so they turned to silver and copper mining. The mines closed in 1927, which saw the downfall of the town. Volunteers today are restoring some of the buildings, including the cafe, which is now open, and the underground bakery, which bakes bread and other goodies.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Hi everyone, I'm Kaz, the better half. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Curdimurka was my favourite camp along the Oodnadatta track. It's 104 kilometres from Maree and about 10 kilometres west of Lake Eyre, and it dates back to 1886. The nearby Stewart Creek Bridge is the second longest bridge on the old railway line, and it's 433 metres, and it was built in 1887, and the last train passed through Curdimurka in 1980. We camped right alongside the old Ghan railway tracks, and we saw sensational sunset and sunrise. It really is an amazing remote location. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to please like and subscribe for more episodes.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.